Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Calendar API in a Swift app step by step clearly. Open your preferred development environment and create a new Swift project. Navigate to the Google Developers Console in your web browser. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Once signed in, click on the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the page. Click on New Project to create a new project for your Swift app. Give your project a name and click Create. Next, you will need to enable the Google Calendar API. In the left sidebar, click on Library. Search for Google Calendar API in the search bar. Click on the Google Calendar API from the search results. Then, click on the Enable button to activate the API for your project. After enabling the API, go to the Credentials tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Credentials button and select OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. You will be prompted to configure the consent screen. Fill in the required fields such as the application name and email address. Once the consent screen is configured, return to the Create OAuth Client ID section. Select iOS as your application type. Enter your app's bundle identifier, which you can find in your Xcode project settings. Once done, click on Create. Your client ID and client secret will be displayed. Make sure to copy them and save them for later use. Next, install the necessary libraries in your Swift project. Open your project's pod file and add pod Google API client for REST/calendar. Save the pod file and run pod install in your terminal. After the installation completes, close your Xcode project and open the .squirkspace file. Import the Google APIs in your Swift files where you will use the Calendar API. Set up authentication by creating a Google sign-in configuration in your app. In your app delegate, initialize the Google Sign-in SDK with your client ID. Implement the necessary delegate methods to handle sign-in success and failure. Once the user is authenticated, you can create a service instance for the Calendar API. Create a function to fetch events from the user's calendar. Use the Google Calendar API's endpoint to get a list of events in that function. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.